army groups and the Assad regime on that side. So they surrounded Al-Ghouta from everywhere, and they were bombing the next place by airstrikes and mortars the entire time. So people suffered inside, and they didn't have any chance to leave. So this area, the cost of living here was super expensive. And okay, cut.
Now, where are we now?
Al-Ghouta and Jobar.
Wow.
Jobar was very famous because this is the front line.
Yeah.
So you see the destruction in here. If you want, you can walk.
Yeah, I'm on a walk. Man, the buildings here are... It's like apocalypse, man.
Yeah, and we couldn't be able to bring people here before Assad, fall of Assad regime.
So before, people couldn't come here?
No. It's like a military zone.
Just come out quickly. And this is called Jobar.
Take your time.
This is called Jobar.
Huh?
This is
Jobar.
Al-Ghouta. Wow. Just look in front of you, man. Building. The shape of it. Look what it is now. And I can see right now there's families over here. There's people here.
Yeah, some people back to their destroyed houses and try to restore it because they don't have any other choice.
Let's. Is there any landmines around here? Are you sure? Making sure there's no landmines, yeah? Imagine if I end up walking, then I lose a leg. Blackman, the traveller's gone. Khalas. Wow, man. Guys, welcome to Syria, man. This is absolutely chaotic, man. I've never seen such craziness like this before. Destruction, and I don't know, man. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna carry the video, I'm gonna walk over there. There's a hole in the floor. Oh. Imagine someone probably lived over here. Right, I can see a family over there. Right, let's go see who we can. So over here, probably thousands of people died, or hundreds.
Yeah, they were bombing this place for years.
For years they were bombing it.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Look to that hole.
What the fuck? Oh wow. Look at this.
That's from the airstrikes.
That's from the airstrikes,
Yeah.
from the Assad regime.
They were bombing these places with very huge bombs. It's called the dump bombs because just a big tank full of TNT,
Yeah.
and they throw it.
So
on
basically
people.
this bomb over here can destroy like fucking buildings within seconds. Like the hole. Look how big the hole is. Do you think now there's people still stuck underground?
No.
So they've done everything.
That
like to
was
say,
before 2018.
before 2018.
Yeah, on 2018, the Assad regime took control back of Al-Ghouta.
Right. Let's go down to see some of these people here. Oh. God, man. This is mental, man. You been here before?
No, this is my first time.
It's your first time?
Yeah, it was a military zone.
Fuck, man. This way. This way. No, this way is... So guys, man, as you can see where we are right now. The name of this area again one more time for the audience.
Yeah, Jobar, Al-Ghouta.
Al-Ghouta. Assalamu alaikum.
يعطيك العافية عم.
Wow.
معنا أمير حابب هو إجا على سوريا يشوف.
يا هلا اهلا وسهلا. السلام اهلا وسهلا يا ميت اهلين.
Ask him,
منطقة جوبا.
did he live here or was he?
أنت ضليت عايش هون كل الوقت؟
لا والله طلعت.
كنتوا عايشين هون؟
في ناس كانت عايشة
حتى
بس أنا طلعت.
يعني بأي سنة؟
أنا طلعت بال 2015.
he left this area and his house in 2015.
اشتغل هيك بضرب كثير. ايوه
Assalamu alaikum habibi.
يا عم
Salam.
سلامات.
يا هلا.
معنا امير حابب يسال يعني عن الوضع، عم بيجي بيشوف
أهلا وسهلا.
البلد،
أهلا وسهلا.
فخبرنا الاخ انه انت كنت عايش هون.
ايه هذا بيتنا.
ضليت
ايه هذا بيتنا.
وينه؟
هذا
This is his house.
هذا هيك كلياته.
His house.
Yeah.
This was his house.
Yes.
هذا هيك كلياته هيك.
Oh my god.
طيب عم انت ضليت لاي سنه قاعد هون؟
هلا
Guys, you hear this?
طلعونا هون بال 2013 2014.
2014 he left this area. ورحتوا
قعدنا بذاك الجنة.
and they moved to the other side. يعني بسبب الحرب هون
ايه كان حرب.
تمام. وبعدين طلعتوا على مكان ثاني ولا ضليتوا هون؟
لا طلعنا تهجرنا.
على مدينه ثانيه؟
ايه طلعنا على تسيا قعدنا.
Then they left to another part of Damascus countryside for 5 years because this area was unsafe.
Say to him, I'm sorry for what happened.
هو آسف على الشيء اللي حصل.
Inshallah, things are going to become better in
إن
Syria.
شاء الله الأمور رح تكون أحسن
يا
بسوريا.
رب يا رب.
And then the next generation are going to have a good future.
رح تكون عندها مستقبل أحسن.
ان شاء الله بس راحت علينا ما هيك.
Say to him that the whole world is watching. The world
كل
is
العالم
watching.
عم بيقول
اهلا وسهلا.
الحمد
لله. من اي منطقة؟
هو من بريطانيا
But originally Africa.
بس هو أصله من أفريقيا.
Thank you. Can I walk? No problem.
فيني أمشي من هون معك؟
ايه لك.
شكرا.
يعطيك العافية.
Wow. That's sad, man. That was someone's house.
I think it's cost more
Yeah.
to restore this area.
Yeah.
So I think it's easier to make new buildings in another area because to remove all of this
It's going to cost money.
Yeah.
Man. But look at the bullets, man. You see the Salam alaikum, habibi. You see the bullets on the wall? The bullets. All the bullets. Look at the bullets around here. Salam alaikum. I'm on the. It's time to pray Salah. Salam alaikum. Just look at the wall, man. Look at all these bullet holes, man. You see that? Salam alaikum. Look, this was someone's house.
Yeah. And they are working to restore this house. This is the nice thing.
So they're rebuilding the
They
house.
have hope. Yeah.
Habibi, كيف حالك? This? What's this?
نفاق
This is a tunnel.
It's a tunnel.
Yeah. So when you
والله من علي.
don't know, but during the war,
Yeah.
there was so many tunnels
Yeah.
to keep it easier for the fighters to move between areas without being exposed.
Oh, so during the war they used to build tunnels underneath
Yes.
to go from house to house.
Yes.
Wow. And was it hard for the Assad regime to like look for the people?
Yes, it was hard, and they built like almost another city underground.
Underground city.
Yeah.
So it's hard for
So
the people.
even cars could move through the tunnels.
Even cars
and
could move?
Yeah, because there were like airstrikes all time here, so it's very hard to hide.
Every house has a tunnel.
Not every house, but some areas yes.
You want to speak on camera? Speak Arabiya?
احكي عربي، احكي مع الكاميرا، قول اللي بدك اياه.
شو بدي اقول؟
قول اللي بدك اياه.
Say to me, you can say anything. Habibi, like this.
أي شيء.
Like this. Like this.
ايه
أيوة.
ديرها بالعكس. عليه هيك. ايوه احكي اللي بدك اياه. طلع على الكاميرا. طلع انت واحكي. ايه صور. احكي مع الكاميرا.
هذا نفاق للنظام، حافظوا الله لا يوفقه.
شكرا. You go? Okay, let's go. Where are we going? Where are we going? Are they going to show me more? جلاسة. يلا جلاسة. Alright. These guys are going to show me something. Ah, you make it straight.
يا سائل عدروب المجد مجد دراجه من حنا سوريا أبا عن جدنا ما بيتكلم نحن الشعب ما بينطال نحن أولادك سوريا فرح بيبالك يا شام علي الضحكي عليا.
So that was a freedom song, yeah? For the revolution.
The Syrian people.
The Syrian people. Shukran Habibi. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Jazakallah. Thank you. Guys, what we're going to do, we're going to walk. And we're going to go somewhere else to continue the video. Hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog today. Welcome to Syria. It's Blackman the Traveller. Try to get me 1 million subscribers by the end of 2025. Inshallah. Vamos. You guys are probably wondering, why is this video stopped? Guys, I'm going to be straightforward. A lot of people are subscribing to my YouTube channel, but they're not watching all of my videos for some reason. So guys, please, it just takes literally less than 10 seconds. Subscribe, hit the like button if you can, please. I much appreciate it. Put all the notifications on. So whenever I post a video on YouTube, you're going to be notified, you're going to watch all my latest videos. Please guys, my aim is to get 1 million subscribers by the end of 2025 next year. So please, whenever you watch a video, please just subscribe, hit the like button, put all the notifications on, and you're going to be notified whenever Blackman the Traveller is gonna upload a brand new video. See you soon. Alright guys, after that, it was very emotional, what you guys just saw. And over here there's a place called, what is it called?
KC.
KC. So there's a place called KC. Al-Qusso Chicken Sharmat. So I think it's fried chicken, I'm not too sure what it is. Alright, Assalamu alaikum. See here? Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Salam. We're gonna sit over here, try some fried chicken. I don't know if it's gonna be Islam. I don't know if it's gonna be nice, but I'm gonna try some local Syrian fried chicken over here. And hopefully, Habibi.
هلا
Thank you.
ويلكم لك شلونك؟ السلام عليكم. نمل نمل
Nimin?
نمل
Nimin.
سلام ورحمة الله.
Oh, this is the kitchen? So many drinks over here, man. I think that's a Syrian drink, I'm not too sure. Well, they got Pepsi, they got Mirinda. What are you gonna get?
We will get 2 roasted chicken.
2 roasted chicken.
Yeah, meals.
Meals, yeah? Syrian.
Yes.
Okay, and what is it called in Syrian? What is it called?
Roasted.
Roasted. So we're gonna get 2
Fried chicken.
Shukran.
هلا لا خلاص جو.
شكرا.
Thank you. Bismillah. Very good. It's the best place in Damascus. So let the food come out, then after that I'm going to carry on the video. But I'm just showing you guys my experience over here in Damascus. I'm going to try to give you the best type of content in Syria. And guys, if you want to come to Syria, the guy next to me, I'm going to put his social media in the description. So any foreigner that wants to come to Syria and experience Syria, he's the guy, yeah? If it wasn't for him, I won't be doing most of the stuff. See you soon. The traditional Syrian meal, yeah? So what is this, for example, my brother?
Garlic cream,
Garlic cream,
pickles,
pickles,
roasted chicken.
roasted chicken, and some potatoes and some bread. Creamy. Whoa. Good. Well, that's how you do it.
It's better than the KFC.
It's better than KFC.
Yeah.
So you get the chips, you put it in the middle. You put some pickles. Some of the chicken. Put it like that. Put it in the cream. And try it. Let's smell it. Oh. Very good. The chicken and that cream, it's amazing. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish off the video. I'm gonna finish off the video walking around. Let me finish this food over here before it gets cold. Welcome to Syria.